If you're thinking about making the switch to Hubitat Elevation, get ready to experience home automation as it was meant to be. Inside this tiny box is an incredibly powerful home automation platform that runs locally, so your automations are fast, reliable, and private. In this video, we'll take you step by step through the process of switching your smart home to Hubitat Elevation. We'll walk you through setup, adding devices, automations, dashboards, and we'll show you some of the secret sauce that will make your smart home the best it's ever been. And none of this requires a degree in computer engineering. If I can do it, you can too. So let's get started. Inside your box, you'll find your hub, antennas, power supply, and Ethernet cable. Scanning the QR code in the box will take you step by step through the setup and registration of your hub. Wherever possible, we highly recommend connecting to your network using an Ethernet connection, but a Wi-Fi connection to your router is also an option where Ethernet is not practical. During setup, your hub will update itself to the latest version. The entire process should only take a few minutes. Once the setup process is complete, your hub will ask if you want to add a device. This Add Device wizard is for adding Z-Wave and Zigbee devices to your system. If you want to add a compatible network or Wi-Fi device such as an Echo Dot or LifeX bulb, this is done using an integration app which can be found in the Apps section. When adding devices via the wizard, you can select the device you want to add by device type or brand. Follow the device instructions to put the device in pairing or inclusion mode, and the hub will discover it. Don't forget, if you are adding a device that was already connected to another hub, you will need to perform a factory reset or Z-Wave exclude before connecting it to your Hubitat Elevation hub. Now that you have some devices connected, it's time to start building your automations. The Getting Started process will take you directly to the Basic Rules app to build your first automation. Even if you are an experienced home automation enthusiast, we highly recommend starting with the Basic Rules app to get familiar with rule building in Hubitat Elevation. Your first time using Basic Rules will include helper text to guide you through the rule building process. Basic Rules is actually quite a powerful app, and for many automations, it's the only app you'll need. But once you have some experience, you'll want to explore some of our other rule building apps such as Home Safety Monitor, Room Lighting, and Rule Machine, which is such a powerful app that your automations are limited only by your imagination. Of course, the simpler you keep your rules, the quicker you'll get up to speed automating your home. Check out some of our Hub Whisperer videos on YouTube for demonstrations of different home automation ideas using our various apps. Next, you'll want to download the free Hubitat mobile app, which you can find in the Apple Store or the Google Play Store. It gives you remote access to your lights, switches, and dashboards. Plus, it enables your phone to act as a presence sensor, which can be used in a variety of automations in your home, such as triggering home and away modes and locking doors when you leave. The app also gives you access to your Hub UI while you are on the same network, and Z-Wave Smart Start for adding devices. Now it's time to set up your dashboards. Dashboards give you the ability to control and monitor your devices from home or remotely wherever you are via your phone, tablet, or PC. Dashboards can be created using the Hubitat Dashboard app in the App section of the Hub's UI. We have a dedicated video on setting up dashboards you should watch. Hubitat dashboards are extremely customizable. You can select the devices you want to show, customize their appearance, and even create separate custom dashboards for different rooms, different users, and what have you. There are a lot of options here, and you can find some great ideas in the Show Us Your Dashboards thread in the Hubitat online community. Voice assistants are an extremely popular component of many people's smart homes, and you'll be happy to know that Hubitat Elevation integrates with Amazon Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Once integrated, you'll be able to control most of your devices and automations by voice commands, and you'll expand the abilities of your HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Home ecosystems. These integrations are done via an integration app, which you will find in the App section of the UI. This is the same way all network and Wi-Fi devices are connected to the hub, such as LifeX bulbs and Lutron devices. Each integration is unique, so check the documentation for the app before you get started. Keep in mind that voice assistants are cloud-based, so even though your Hubitat Elevation Hub processes automations locally, you will need internet access to use voice assistants or other cloud devices with it. Once you have the basics down, there are so many more capabilities you can explore with your Hubitat Elevation Hub. By setting modes, you can set rules to run differently based on the mode the hub is in. Hubitat Safety Monitor gives you an easy way to set alerts and notifications for intrusion, water leaks, and other concerns around your house. You can even set text-to-speech notifications to your smart speaker via this and other apps. Build custom lighting scenes with the Room Lighting app. Set lock codes with Lock Code Manager. If you have multiple Hubitat Elevation hubs, you can link them together with Hub Mesh. And while we have apps for almost everything, some users just like to code, and our open platform allows you to add your own code for apps and drivers. If that's your thing, check out the online documentation for more on that. We also encourage all of our users to familiarize themselves with the Logs feature. You can open up your logs in a separate browser window to give yourself a real-time view of what is happening in your hub. This can really help with troubleshooting and keeping your automations running smoothly. As you dive deeper into home automation, eventually you might find you reach the end of your expertise. But don't worry, we have all the resources you need. We have detailed online documentation for all of our apps at docs2.hubitat.com. We have tutorial videos right here on our YouTube channel and on our website. And our most powerful source of knowledge is our online community at community.hubitat.com. There you'll find helpful home automation enthusiasts who are all new to Hubitat at one point just like you, and they are eager to help you on your way. You'll even find our engineers and developers regularly spending time in the community answering questions and offering support. Facebook users can join a community of users in our official Hubitat Facebook group. The bottom line is that we want you to have success with Hubitat, and we know you will if you use the resources available. We could go on for hours detailing the capabilities of the Hubitat Elevation Home Automation Hub, but the best thing for you to do right now is to get one and try it for yourself. I know you're going to love it, and you'll wish you had made the switch a long time ago. Thanks for watching, and thanks for elevating your environment with Hubitat Elevation.